Hi dears, today's class we are continuing with the section 2 in our first unit, a visit to the doctor. Let's continue with the grammar and other exercises. Today we are going on to concentrate with the listening and writing part. Let's go with the class today. Here I am going to share the audio of listening. All the students are requested to listen to the audio and complete the two boxes which are given along with here in the page number 27. You have task 1 to fill out the length of different rivers, and the same way you have to complete task 2 also mentioning the rivers of different countries. Let's go with the listening now. Listening task unit 1. When I was a child. Which is the longest river in the world? The longest single river in the world is the Nile. It flows through Egypt and Sudan, and it's 6,650 kilometers long. The second longest river is the Amazon, which is 6,450 kilometers long. If you count all its tributaries and look at the area it covers, the Amazon is the biggest river in the world. Its tributaries flow through 5 countries in South America. China's longest river and the world's third longest river is the Yangtze Kiang. It's 5,520 kilometers long. There are 2 very long rivers in the United States of America. They are the Missouri, which is roughly 3,000 kilometers long, and the Mississippi, which is about 2,500 kilometers long. Along the way, the Missouri joins the Mississippi and then the two flow together as one river. However, Africa's second longest river, the Congo, is longer than either of these two rivers separately. It's 4,670 kilometers long. What about our own Indian rivers? The Brahmaputra is the longest river. It's about 2,900 kilometers long. The second longest is the Ganga. The Ganga is roughly 2,490 kilometers long. Can you find out the length of the other rivers in the list? So I hope the listening part was clear. All are requested to do that right now. The next exercise, which is connecting the lesson and the last page of the lesson, it's about writing. Let's go with that right now. We all have surely been to the doctor more than once in our life. So when we were there, automatically we were in a pathetic condition or in a bad condition that the treatment, even though it was painful, would be accepted in a positive way, that we do expect us to get a quick relief. Now here you are asked to write how you were experiencing when you were going into a hospital, how you were experiencing the treatment. Just like the boy, were you also really frightened and unexpectedly something happened or something like that? You are expected to do the writing over here in the given space. And finally, you are asked to complete the self-assessment box also. And here in Unit 1, Section 3, we have a beautiful poem named My Kingdom by R.L. Stevenson. Actually, this is a deleted portion. So the questions from this poem will not be coming for the class exams and all. But you have to do some activities based on this poem. What you have to do as an activity is to find out the rhyme scheme of the poem and to make a loud reading of the poem. I hope it is clear. You have to find out the rhyme scheme of the poem and you have to make a loud reading and you have to send it to me as an audio. I hope the part of the lesson which we have discussed here is clear for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.